Drugs for respiratory disorder. First one is drugs for cough. Drugs for respiratory disorder. It include two. Two means what? First one is drugs for cough and second one is drugs for bronchial asthma. So first one is drugs for cough. Pharyngeal demulcent, lozenges, syrup, glycerin, licorice. Expectorant. Expectorant which include secretion enhancers and mucolytic. Secretion enhancer means which increases secretion and mucolytic means which lyses mucus. So which also known as productive cough. So for productive cough we use expectorant. It include secretion enhancer, potassium citrate, potassium iodide, guaifenesin, tolubalsam, Vasaka, ammonium chloride. Vasaka family is Acanthaceae and stomata which is present in Vasaka is diastatic stomata, and potassium iodide act by directly irritating bronchial gland or indirectly by gastric irritation to increase secretion. Prolonged use lead to hypothyroidism and avoiding pregnancy. Mucolytic, which lyses mucus. Bromhexine, ambroxol, acetylcysteine, carbocysteine. Ambroxol is a metabolite of bromhexine. Bromhexine, which act by depolymerization of mucopolysaccharide and thus lower viscosity of mucus. It is obtained from leaf of Vasaka plant, which is Adhatoda vasaka. Then antitussive means for dry cough we use antitussive, which are cough center suppression, and cough center is present in medulla. Opioid, codeine, ethyl morphine, codeine. Codeine is isoquinoline alkaloid, depress cough center in medulla, contraindicated in asthma, and which is a opium alkaloid. Then non-opioid, noscapine, narcotine, benzyl isoquinoline alkaloid, dextromethorphan, which is a morphine derivative, dextroisomer, methyl ether of levorphanol, synthetic morphine, directly acting cough suppression, and clofidinol, antihistaminic, chlorpheniramine, diphenhydramine, promethazine, pulmonary receptor desensitizer, prenoxidazine, adjuvant antitussive, which is also known as bronchodilator, which include salbutamol. Salbutamol is also known as albuterol and terbutaline. And on upper side, antitussive agent, which include what? Propoxyphene, which is a methadone derivative, and if we take levoform, which has antitussive property of propoxyphene, and if we take dextroform of propoxyphene, which has analgesic action. Thanks for watching. Full PDF is available on Telegram channel at Zipad to Niper and link is available in bio. Go and check. Thank you.